Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick video for you. I'm going to be doing this over an Amazon Fire TV stick, but the same method applies pretty much for your other streaming devices. All you're going to do is you're going to download, if you're on an Android TV, in this case the Fire Stick once again. So the easiest way to find it, if you don't have it, right here on your top screen, you can go to Find right here. This is the new firmware of Amazon Fire TV stick. Your settings might be a little different, but very similar. And then go over, you can do Search, or I went over here to App Store for my Fire TV stick. And because HBO Max is so popular, all I had to do is go down just a few in this category. Right below Disney is gonna go HBO Max. Now, if you have not downloaded that yet, right here, it will say download. All you're gonna do is click on download. It'll queue and download it, and then you can open it up. Now, once it downloaded, it fired up and it said, go to a computer and type in this code. And it was like a 6-digit, 8-digit or something like that. So then you gotta go to your cell phone or you gotta go to your desktop computer with that code after you download it. And so then you take that code. Now let's go to the computer and I'll show you what to do. So this is the website on HBO Max, right? It'll actually tell you where to go. It's actually HBO Max /TV sign in. Never click the ads. I don't like to click the ads myself either. So let's drop down to this one right here. Now you take that code and put it into this box right here. And after you're finished with that, and so the next page you'll get after you type in that TV code that popped up on your Amazon Fire TV stick, it'll say sign in with provider, or do you have an HBO Max account? So what you do here is you sign in with provider and you click on that. And these are the different options. Now I have AT&T, so I'm gonna click on AT&T. If you have the other ones, click on the other ones. And then for security, obviously I won't show this, but it auto-fills your information for AT&T in here if you've chosen that, or just sign in with your AT&T or service provider account, your account email or username and password. And after that, they'll want you to verify your email address. And after you sign in, you'll go ahead and fire it up. And I actually need to do this as well over my Amazon Fire TV stick. I need to add my profile, which I'm actually already on here, but then you can add obviously some other members of your family. Going back to our projector, same thing applies here. You go ahead and hit that profile, which it already auto-populated from my login information on AT&T. And here we go. We have HBO Max for free, which is absolutely awesome. If you are paying for it and you're a service provider, then cancel your other subscription and use the free subscription as long as you're a paid customer. The only reason I found out about this was I think it was an Instagram advertising post or something like that. I had no idea. I didn't even know that T-Mobile gives you free Netflix as well if you're a T-Mobile customer. So definitely some pretty sweet features that they do not advertise very thoroughly. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your free HBO Max subscription by being an AT&T service member as well. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you guys. Subscribe on your way out. We got a lot of videos on this channel. Check out the channel. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.